Alright, students, let us evaluate one more mock examination paper that is for English Literature and Language, subject code 184. This candidate requires a lot of suggestion, help and support. You can see the reading area, writing, grammar, literature overall seems to be a cause of concern. Let us begin and evaluate. First of all, the overall impression of on the examiner is very poor on account of no margin and poor presentation of the paper. The question numbers A and S is not required. The question number given in the CBSE question paper that is required in the margin. The sub question number is missing. Thus, according to the CBSE regulation, such a paper will not be marked at all because the answer numbers do not match the CBSE question number. These question numbers are given by the candidate, which will definitely not be accepted. It should be the CBSE given question number where there was a numeral and then the sub numbers or sub question numbers were in the lower Roman case. Thus, the candidate deserves a zero in this particular question, but let us give our suggestions to this candidate for improvement. How this candidate can present his or her paper in a better manner so that the marks can be scored. A and S is definitely not required. Margin is essential. Question number, sub question number. The literal should be in the textual area where we write the answers. Second passage gives suggestions how the candidate can avoid common errors in the reading section. What reading strategy do you use that you can suggest to the candidate for improvement? Kindly suggest that. Literature, have a look at the spelling, give suggestions how the candidate can improve his or her spelling. You can see, make out from this the candidate has not understood the question. So kindly suggest what strategy do you use in order to eliminate the incorrect answers and reach the right answer. Should the candidate use this strategy on the answer script, or should this be used on the question paper? Give suggestions how the candidate can avoid these kind of incorrect responses. Give your strategy if you are scoring in this area. Help your classmate to improve or help your peer to improve. The rhyme scheme is always written in the lower case. You can see the candidate has no idea regarding this. Give your suggestions how it can be improved. Again, the question numbers are all incorrect. Give your suggestions for improvement in grammar. You can see different spellings of grammar on the top and another spelling of grammar. It's a very casual approach. Give suggestions how this candidate can work in order to improve. You can see a third spelling of grammar which is also incorrect, should be AR. What would you suggest how that the candidate can read the question carefully and select the questions and respond? Give your suggestions for improvement. The writing section, the self-address, the date format, the to address or the address of the recipient. How is it to be written? If you can write and show to the candidate, it will be very, very helpful. And then, dear sir, the subject is missing, and my letter is to inform. This is a very conversational kind of language that is used. As you know, one is supposed to write in formal and completely formal language using academic writing. Give suggestions how this candidate can improve his or her writing. I'm writing you this letter is completely, the structure itself is incorrect. I thank you for looking in my letter is again a very inappropriate way of writing, and I hope to see you in action soon. The candidate should know what he or she is writing. It is a little offensive kind of expression. Thank you. There is no subscription. That means yours sincerely or faithfully. The signature. This is definitely not accepted. It should be the name of the person that the CBSE question paper has suggested. That should be in running case, and after that, it should be the name again in brackets in capital letters. This candidate has no idea how to close the letter, so kindly give suggestions to the candidate how to improve. Question number is missing. I believe this is supposed to be the question number if I'm not mistaken. Title is missing. Paragraph writing. The candidate has no idea. Give suggestions how the candidate can improve in writing. Literature, the spelling of literature. Answer the opening sentence. This candidate requires a lot of help and support of the peers. Kindly give your suggestions how this candidate can improve in order to at least get through the CBSE examination. The poet, name of the poet is required, title is required, past tense, uppercase, capital letter for a name of or proper noun, uppercase for a name. Read through, give suggestions how this candidate can overcome this level of answering to literature questions. You may give suggestions for writing literature answers. It is a humble request that you write the answer and post it in the comment so that the candidate can learn from your answer. It will be very helpful giving suggestions for reading, writing. If you can give a writing sample, that will be very helpful to the candidate. And for grammar, what strategies do you use to improve your grammar? Then writing the literature, the candidate needs a lot of help and support in literature. So if you can write a sample answer, it will be a revision for you. It will definitely help the candidate to learn from your answer. So it is my humble request to help this candidate in every possible way that you can. And giving peer evaluation will definitely help you a lot in overcoming the kind of errors that you make. Thank you very much for your kind attention.